Hi, hello, and welcome back to the Barren Flights. Today I am not making a model, I am not flying. Today I'm making an appeal. No, it's not for money. If I if I could only I could make some money out of making models. But anyway, by the by. This week I've had some rather sad news from the model club that I am a member of, called the Greenacres Model Flying Club. They're based in Aldridge, near Walsall in the West Midlands, England. The local county council, which we pay money, a permit to fly there, is now going to revoke all our rights to fly. They claim they want the park for cyclists and dog walkers, etc., etc. And this club has been going for I don't know how many years. 30, 40 years. And I was not one of the original members, but I was a member in its early days, and it's been no end of help to all model flyers, all comers that go to Greenacres Model Flying Club. So I'm not asking for money. What I am asking for is information and guidance. I've had an idea that maybe the club could raise money to buy a plot of land, some farmland that is up for sale, which would probably get houses built on it, and flatten the land, make it flat for a landing field. You just turn up and fly. There'd be no clubhouse or toilet or anything like that. We just want the land. But I don't know how to do things like applying to the lottery. I don't know how to do applying for funding for GoFundMe or anything like that, or to become a charitable organisation. And I have absolutely no knowledge of these things. I'm not a businessman. But there's people out there that are. This may be you. This may be a brother, a sister, a thee, a them, a they, a mother, a father, whomever is in knowledge of how to do these things. I have absolutely no gumption at all. Now we are having a meetup with the club on Wednesday to formalise things, but it seems we have 1 year. So we have 1 year to try and find some funds, hopefully get a down payment on a field somewhere that some farmers selling, and maybe get a mortgage off the bank, pay for it. Now obviously I know how to get a mortgage, but I don't know how to raise enough funds. We haven't got enough members that would pay their annual fees that would cover the cost of a mortgage. An open field could cost anything from £250,000, and of course we can't afford a mortgage for that kind of thing without people digging deep, and people just haven't got the money. So to help keep the hobby alive and to keep the sport alive and just keep it going, and if you know how to do these things, please get in the comments. Give me an email address, we can correspond, and teach me how to do it, who to apply to, how to apply for it. I know there are some clever people out there who know exactly how to do this. So no, I don't want money, I want your time and I want your information, which I hope will cost you nothing to give. And I can go down this road, put it to the club members and say, look, here's a solution. Do you want to do it? And if so, let's go. And that's it really. So if you want to help save a model club that's been going for many years and has quite a few members, please get in touch. If you're a farmer and you live near Walsall and you're watching this and you have an open field that you don't mind us putting a lawnmower across and making a landing strip, please get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. and I'm sure that we can do something to reciprocate your love. So on that, I will say thank you for your time. Please get in touch, and let's see if we can save the club. So all those model makers around the world, thank you for your time. Bye bye.